Part of this preparation is understanding what lenders will need to approve you. Lenders make their profits from lending money. They're not in the business of saying no. But be aware that startups are almost always considered risky bets, and many lenders are reluctant to finance them. Also know that many larger banks won't even consider small loans, which are less profitable than larger ones, but require the same amount of time to analyze and administer. Do not let these hurdles discourage you. If you are organized, the chance of obtaining the funding you need will improve. There is no set loan minimum or maximum. Lenders are searching for clues that your business will be able to repay the loan. Most financial institutions will expect the loan to be fully secured, either with business assets or personal collateral. Having some skin in the game, meaning you have your own equity invested in the business, strongly works in your favor. Lenders will be also looking at you, your personal finance record, your credit score, business assets, and work experience. Once you're ready to make your request, be prepared to provide the information the lender is requesting for these factors. Purpose: what will the funds be used for? Amount: how much money do you want to borrow? Why that particular amount? Term and repayment plan: for how long will you need the money, and what is your specific plan for repayment? Collateral: what assets, business or personal, do you intend to use as collateral? What is their market value? What portion of their value can you use as collateral? Your current business statement of income. Historic financial performance information. Past business financial performance information under your ownership or under the previous owner's ownership. Normally, a lender will want to know what the business has been doing, and it also wants to see that it has been operating for at least 2 years. If you can keep in mind these factors, the chance of getting the loan application approved increases. The key is to paint a picture which will naturally lend the lender to see your loan as benefit to both parties. Call me, email me, or fill out the contact form so we